G'day guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pool noodle blocks which are quiet and great to play with. Sophie really likes them as an 11-month-old. Let's get into the video. Thanks!
Supplies you'll need: some sturdy pool noodles, measuring tape, a marker, a serrated knife and a chopping board. So firstly with the marker I measured out 2 inches or 5 centimeters on the pool noodle, and then I used the serrated knife to cut each 2-inch block. I repeated the same for the green and the blue noodle. I ended up doing about 5 blocks for each colour just to start off with. I can always cut more blocks if I want to. I stacked them up in their colour piles. Sophie came over and knocked them down. She did pop it in her mouth for a little bit, but that was it. This could be a choking hazard if your child is likely to bite on them because the foam will come off. If that's the case, you can just pop them away until they're a little bit older. So Sophie was manipulating the noodles between her hands. She grabbed 2 and actually chucked them outside. I was really happy with this pool noodle activity because Sophie can really use different grips. She can use her thumb or her fingers. I also wrote the alphabet on 3 of them, and you could do the whole alphabet if they were a bit older and be able to stack it A to Z. Also counting 1 to 3 and the colours. So it's really a good learning activity. These blocks are great because they're quiet too when they fall down. It's not a big bang, not like the little wooden ones. And if you've ever stood on a wooden one, you know how painful it is. Oh! And they float really well in the bath, and Sophie really enjoyed chucking them in.
Thanks for watching guys. Please hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more DIYs, especially for Sophie. And I'll see you next time. Bye!